Hello guys! In this video, i-discuss ko ngayon about dividing radicals. Okay? First example, 8 divided by square root of 8. Okay? So, nito, same pa rin. So 8, ano yung 8 square root of 8? That is 8 to the 1/2. Okay, so lagyan natin sa taas 8 to the 1, ito 1 times 8 to the negative 1/2. Diba? Pag ito transfer natin, mag-change yung negative. Okay, so pareho ang base, that is 8. 1 minus 1/2, that is 1/2. So ang answer natin is square root of 8. 4 square root of 8 ay 4 times 2. So square root of 4, that is 2. Square root of 2. Okay. Square root of 9 divided by square root of 3. So square root of 9 over square root of 3. So pareho sila o square root. So ilagay natin sa isang 9 divided 3. 9 divided by 3 is square root of 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So number 3, square root 32 a divided by square root of 2. Okay, so square root of 32a divided by square root of 2. So pareho sila og roots. So isang root lang, 32a over 2. Okay, so 32 divided by 2, that is 16a. So 16a. So 16 square root of 16, that is 4. Square root of a. So ito. Number 4. 4x squared. That is cube divided by square root, cube root sa 2xy. Okay, so cube root 4x squared divided by cube 2xy. Okay, so the same root, that is cube root. Ilagay natin sa isang cube root siya. So 4x squared over 2xy. Okay, so 4 divided by 2, that is 2. X squared dito, mayroong isang x dito, so x na lang yung natira. Yung y, baba natin. Okay, 2x over y, cube root. So, dito tayo. So, na fifth example. 1 divided by 2 plus square root of 5. Okay. Ang gagawin natin dito. So, alam nyo guys, yung conjugate. I-review natin yung conjugate. So, example, 1 given is 1 plus 2a. Ano yung conjugate dyan? So, i-change ko lang yung sa gitna sign. So, ang conjugate dyan is 1 minus 2a. Ha? Other example. Square root of 4 minus 3. Ano conjugate dyan? So, square root of 4 plus 3. Yan ang conjugate. Okay? So, dito, i-apply natin yung conjugate. Okay? So, 1, 2 plus square root of 5. Okay? Multiply. Conjugate dito is 2 minus square root of 5. So, lagyan din natin sa taas ng 2 minus square root of 5. So, diba? Cancel din yan. So, 1 pa rin yan. So, equal pa rin siya. Okay. So, multiply natin. So, sa taas, ang natira is 2 minus square root of 5 over ito. Ito of 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times negative square root of 5, that is minus 2 square root of 5. Ito na naman, positive square root of 5 times 2, that is plus 2 square root of 5. Last is positive square root of 5 minus, times negative square root of 5, that is negative square root of 5 square root of 5. Okay. So 2 tabi muna sa taas. 4 dito negative 2 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 5, that is cancel, 0. Ang natira ito square root of 5 times square root of 5, that is 5. So, copy lang ang sign, 5. Okay? So, ang natira is copy lang sa taas, 2 minus square root of 5. 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. So, negative 1, i-divide na lang sa taas. Ang answer natin is 2 divide negative 1, that is negative 2. Negative 5 divide negative 1, that is positive square root of 5. So, dito, last example, number 6. Square root of 2 divide 3 minus square root of 2. So, same pa rin. Gamitin natin ng conjugate. Square root of 2, 3 minus square root of 2 times conjugate ani is 3 plus square root of 2. Sa taas din 3 plus square root of 2. Okay? So multiply. That is square root of 2 times 3. That is 3 square root of 2. The square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is 2. So plus 2 over ito 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times positive square root of 2, that is plus 3 square root of 2. Ito naman sa kabila, square root of negative square root of 2 times 3, that is minus 3 square root of 2. Sin natin, negative square root of 2 plus times positive square root of 2, that is negative 2. Diba? Square root of square root. So 2 ang answer. Next, copy natin 3 square root of 2 plus 2. Copy ang 9. Positive 3 square root of 2 minus 3 square root, that is 0. Ang natira is minus 2. Okay? So 3 square root of 2 plus 2 over 7. Okay? So that's all mga kaklase. So please subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much.